Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the electronic control board in your dishwasher. The reason why you would have to do this is because your dishwasher won't run at all, or it won't power on. For this repair, we'll be using a screwdriver with a VT15 starbit, as well as a flathead screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dishwasher we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Whirlpool. Now keep in mind, yours at home might be a little bit different than what we have here, but the same technique should still apply. Also keep in mind, we don't have a countertop for this, so we're actually using some weights to keep it weighted down so it doesn't tip over on us. So you might want to consider that when you're at home, and if you have to take out your dishwasher, make sure that you're not doing anything to tip it over and make it fall on you when you're doing a repair as well. So the first thing we're going to do is open up our dishwasher here. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take all the screws out of the door here. So now that we have all the screws out, what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift up the door a little bit and kind of get it back into place. However, once I get about here, we can take this door off and separate the two halves. We can do that nice and carefully. There are still a couple of wires on the inside that connect them, but there's this wire right here, and we're going to unplug that from our control board here. And all we really need to do is just pinch the two sides here and then pull it out. So this right here is our electronic control board. In order to get it out, I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver here, and right inside here there's a clip that you're going to want to push up on, and then you can shift the control board over. And once you've shifted it over, you should be able to pop it out from the bracket that's held on right there. So right here on the control board is our connector bracket, so we need to remove that. And in order to get it off, we've got a bunch of tabs. We've got 4 tabs total. So we're going to start on this side. We're going to remove these 2 tabs first. So we need to just push in slightly and then push out on the connector, and that'll hold it in place for a second. Then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Just get these 2 tabs, push in, and then slightly just push the connector out, and then it'll pop out, and you can just twist it and it'll come off. And now that we've got the connector bracket off, we can pull off the rest of the pieces here. So now we can unplug everything, and we're just going to push down on the 2 tabs and pull it out, and do that along the entire way. And now if you flip it over on the other side, you'll see that there's these locking tabs here. So you'll just push down on the tab, and then you can just pull the wires out nice and easy, like so. There we go. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement control board. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. The control board comes with the control board itself, the connector bracket, and this cover here. And now we can plug everything back in, and as you can see on the back of our control board, they've nicely labeled which wires go where. So, start with our yellow. And now the violet one. So now we'll get our brackets set back up and into place, and we're going to use these 3 hooks right there, and those are going to go into the slots on the bottom, and we're going to just tilt that up, set it into place for a second. We're not going to put it all the way up yet. And we've got this big cover here that we're also going to put down, and now that we've got the cover in place, so we'll rotate this up a little bit, and then we'll put our cover into place. You don't want to rotate it up all the way yet though. And once that's in place, you push the cover down, that'll snap in, and then you can snap the cover back into place, and you're ready to go. So now we're going to line up these 2 tabs here with the slots on our bracket here. And once you do that, it should fit in there nicely, and you can just slide it over, and that top tab will lock into place as well. And in case your door latch assembly fell off like ours did, we're just going to line it up and set it back inside of its groove right here. And now we'll plug in our front console assembly to the control board. Then we'll lift up on our front panel and slide it into place on the front of the door here. There we go. And now I'm going to open up the door. And I'm going to put the screws in the front 2 corners first, and that'll help hold the whole door together, and then I can get the rest in. Close up your door, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.